My new fidgets, and I'm gonna show everything right here. So first I got this one. I think I showed you in the last video. And I got the keyboard one. I do not know if I showed you this. And then I got whatever this is. I think a Pop-It or something, or something. I think what it is, it's what is it called? A simple dimple, but her Earth simple dimple. That's what I think it is. And I got this so tiny, cute, teeny Pop-It. Or no, yeah. I can't even talk. Like, wow, it's so cute. So cute. Alright, whatever. Then we got this one. Don't think I showed you this though. And then we got whatever this is. Green unicorn, I think. Alright, whatever. I do not know if I showed you this in the video right now. This one, I didn't show you this. I bet you I didn't. Maybe in another video, but this video, no. And then I do got another one of those. Well, first I got this. Wait. Look. Well, oh, it's not sticky anymore. Wait. It's stuck. Bro. It's on the roof. Alright, whatever. I gotta get that down right now. Hold on. I'll be right back. Oh, I just fell. Let's go. Alright. What else? Then I got this. I don't think I showed you this. I am back. I got to talk to my mom. And now I got this. And you wonder how I went? I was on pause. Then I got a other teeny cute Pop-It. Or was this the one I showed you? Comment and see if I showed you it. Comment if I showed you. Then I got the star mochi. Then we got this one. I think it's a mochi, but yeah, it's a mochi, but I think it's a monster. And I have two of these. The one you saw was a circle one, and like the Pop-It things were a circle, but now these are hearts. So yeah. Let me show you. I do not know if I showed you this chicken one. Yeah, no, I didn't. And I'm calling this a nut popper. I do not know what it's called, so I'm just calling it a nut popper. You're supposed to squeeze it. If nobody knows what's a Pop-It or anything that's a fidget, you're supposed to squeeze it. And a Pop-It, you're supposed to pop the circles like this. And that's mostly all. So wait, I didn't show you this. These, don't know what they're called, but my friends say if you're in the dark, these glow up, but I don't know if that's true. And then I got another one. Then the last thing is this. And I got a bunch of these. I have maybe like 50 in my basket. Alright, see you guys later. In the next video, I'll see you guys. Alright, bye.